Hello again, everybody. Jim Hickey coming back to you from WordPress tutorialpdf.com with another helpful tip in getting your WordPress system set up to best serve both types of visitors that end up at your site. Those live people who you want to consume your content, and the search engines who you want their spiders to go in and properly classify things and hopefully get listed in the search engine so people can find you to visit your site. Okay, this little short video today is going to have to do with something called permalinks, and we'll actually get into the permalink settings from the dashboard area of WordPress here in a moment. But what I'm talking about and the significance of that, if we look up here at the URL box up here at the top of the browser window, you'll notice that the domain for the site is listed, WordPress tutorialpdf.com, and after that you get this funky code. Well, what I've done here is I've actually gone in and I've clicked this post down here, and as far as WordPress right now with the default settings for permalinks, the way they're set when WordPress is first installed, it comes up with this funky code, P equals 44. Great, WordPress knows what it is, but your visitor doesn't know what it is. The search engine doesn't know what it is. So what good is it? It would be far more beneficial to have your actual post title up in that section to complete your URL as opposed to this funky code. And we can do that using this thing called permalinks. So let me slide this up a little bit in the window here. Then we're going to come down here and get into the Windows dashboard and see exactly how to do that. So go down to my little meta widget here, go into the mid area. What we're going to do is come over here to the menus here on the left hand side of the dashboard. Scroll down here to settings. I've already got it open to the sub settings, excuse me. Scroll down a little further. You'll notice there's general and writing and reading, and over time we'll go through several of these things. The one we're concerned about today is permalinks. And if I click on that and open up the Permalink Settings window, you'll notice that the little radio button is set to the default, and that is telling you this is what you're going to get for your URLs. In this case, my case, www.wordpresstutorialpdf.com, and then that funky code. Now there's other options here as well. The day and name of the post, the month and the name of the post, and those can work, but they kind of get a little too long, especially if you have a longer post name. You can go with a numeric categorization or indexing. Well, again, that may help you or WordPress, but it's not going to help your visitors. So the easiest thing, or the best thing to do to get your actual post name in there and keep things as short as possible, let's go to custom structure. If I come over to here and I type a /, well, you can see I have different formats of these things that I use, but what I really want is the title of the post name. So I can just come down here and select that, and by having the /, %, post name, %, / that'll actually then put the title of the post into that portion of the URL, not just some funky code. So we'll come back down here, save changes. Okay, so now we have the custom structure. We'll go back to the home page of the site. Okay, now right now if I scroll this back down again, we're at the home page. So we just have WordPress back up here. But if I come down here to this post and actually click on the title, so I'm actually going to that post page, oh look, it's changed from that funky code it had originally to now having the actual title, WordPress widget tutorial, adding web forms banners. Of course, it puts those dashes in there, but you can look up there and understand what you're seeing, and more importantly, so can the search engines. Okay, a lot more straightforward. Changing your URL to include the title of your post so that your visitors, both live people and the search engines, will know what you're doing. Again, I hope you find this tip helpful, and I look forward to bringing you more in the future. Have a wonderful day.